Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, yeah, and it is a good morning. I was watching a video this morning by Miss Barbara, and I want to say good morning to everybody. Oh, yes. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you again for all that you do to support me. Thank you. This is my hairstyle for the day. I don't think by the time you see this video, I will have uploaded the video with the braid out results of my hair. And this is after 2 days of that braid out. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Yes, I am getting ready to go out. Taking the day off. That video that I was watching this morning with Miss Barbara, and she was planning out her week, and she was told by her husband to take some time for yourself, care for yourself. She's always doing something for others, and she told me to have a restful day. That was my plan from the very beginning. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to take the time now to get some breakfast, which is only going to be cereal and fruit. And then I'm going to get a pedicure and manicure. And I don't know what else I'm going to do today. But I will come back and let you know. So you have a great day. And this is my hair for today. You see how easy that was? That's what Sisterlocks does for me. My 360. And if I don't come back to say anything else to you, remember this. I'm a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. Because He blesses me, I can bless others. Have a wonderful day. Those are my choices. Purple and a greenish.